Hi there, and welcome to Module 0. This is referred to as the prerequisites module. We need you to have some prerequisites before we proceed. These prerequisites will make it easier for you to follow along. Some of the prerequisites we have will be shown on screen as I speak. The first prerequisite you need is a business name. At this point in time, I do hope you have the name of your business, probably registered as a business type, either you're a sole proprietor, LLC, whatever fits in. But if you don't have that registered, it's okay to get started, but eventually you need to register your business, but at least have the business name. The second thing you need is a business bank account. So you could go to a business, to any of your banks and open a bank account. It could be an online bank, but just get ready a business bank account because we'll need to pass in that account number eventually. The third thing you would need would be a PayPal business account. So this is different from a PayPal personal account. So if you don't have that, please go to, just go on Google and maybe search for PayPal business and create an account. The fourth thing you definitely need would be a branding profile. So at this point, I assume you have a logo, you have fonts, you have a color scheme, those type of things that define your brand. At this point, we definitely need it as we move further in the course. The last and final thing that acts as a prerequisite is a domain. If you have a pre-existing domain, then let's make sure that that's ready to be integrated with Shopify. Shopify also offers internal domain. So you could set up your domain with the Shopify platform if you don't have a pre-existing domain. These prerequisites will show on the screen right now. And as soon as you have all these prerequisites checkboxed, let's go to the next, to the first module, which is the module 1. Thank you, and I'll see you there.